never cared much for enchanted things. I thought that I alone could see the strings, and though I wish I couldn't, that's the truth. And in a flash and a puff of smoke, as though it were some trifling little joke, my sense of wonder vanished with my youth. But let me tell you, boys and girls, inside my head this chasm has unfurled, a dark void that's filled with smoke and drink. If I could only bend these bars and shoot out of the gutter into the stars, then that would be the best thing ever, don't you think? But every day it's just the same, stuck upon this bland corporeal plane, marching to and fro ad nauseum. Forever weekend wandering, in this lonely safe I'm plundering. Are these the depths that I wish to plumb? But if I could only burrow through to some astounding parallel milieu, filled with such delight I couldn't bear to blink. Or I could let the firmament be and fly in the face of humdrum gravity. Well, that would be the best thing ever, don't you think? So I'll click my fingers, reduce these walls to splinters, and break out with a wail of ecstasy. Swoop down and grab my lady and fly her off to safety, and sit her on my plow right next to me. And at my command the seas will rise and swallow up the skies, and snow will land on desert sand, my dear. And at my softly whispered call these ghastly prison walls will fall in. That will be the best thing ever, whether we ever endeavor to weather the storm. If only I can control the weather, and everything would be transformed. Be so perfect, my lady and I. My thunder and lightning would tear through the sky, and the laws of the universe would no longer apply. And that would be the best thing ever, whether we ever endeavor to weather the storm. If only I could control the weather,